Want to crush your IELTS without wasting money and time? Watch this video. Hey everyone, this is almost the end of 2025 and I can see that many of you are searching for quick IELTS tips videos, and that explains why my previous video exploded. So, most of you have signed up for the official IELTS test by the end of the year, just like me. I took my test on December 27th last year. It's kind of crazy to see this trend, right? By the way, this might be the last IELTS tips videos you watch from me, at least for a while. Okay, now, so let me take you back for a moment. If you have been following my channel since it started 9 months ago, I made a short 3-minute video on reading. Many of you asked me to make one on listening, so I did that in just 9 days. It was 5 minutes long. Then you asked for writing, and more recently I made a video on speaking, and now some of you are asking for more tips. So that's when I realized, and I questioned myself, how many videos is enough? How many videos do you actually need to start? As you know from my previous videos, I'm a self-taught IELTS learner. I never took any courses or spent a penny on coaches. All the tips I've shared come directly from my own study experience, from when I actually studied. And that's the key point, to actually study. I didn't watch hundreds of IELTS tips videos just to copy strategies. I studied, I made mistakes, I learned from them, and discovered strategies naturally along the way. And here's something I want you to remember: we humans have an amazing skill called learning how to learn. The more you actually engage in studying, the better you get at learning effectively. So, if your IELTS test is coming up soon, which I'm guessing it is, here's my advice. This is the perfect time to actually study. You can simply start with a reading or listening mock test, and don't just finish the test and forget it. Check your answers, especially the ones you get wrong. Ask yourself, why did I get this wrong? Take notes, analyze, and reflect. That's where the real progress begins. If you want to focus on speaking, you can ask ChatGPT for IELTS speaking questions for all 3 parts. Record your answers, let the AI score them, and ask it to enhance your responses. Personally, I use Engnovate for this. Write down the grammar points, vocabulary, or sentence structures you want to use in your future answers. The important thing here is this: it doesn't matter exactly what or how you study. What matters is you actually study. Everything else, like tips, techniques, strategies, will come naturally as you go along. And just so you know, this isn't the last video on my YouTube channel. I'm still building it, of course, and I'll keep sharing my experience whenever I have something valuable for you, especially since so many of you enjoy the content. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. How do you study IELTS? Comment down below so our self-taught community can learn from each other. Let's build the biggest self-taught IELTS community right here on this YouTube channel. Let's share, learn, and grow together. Yeah. All right. That's enough for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And remember, keep studying. The journey might be tough, but it's absolutely worth it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.